Hi guys, good day to everyone. Update lang with regards to my trade GBP USD. Currently, I'm out of this trade. My stop loss is trading stop is here and then hit on this week by this candle. So I'm taking my 360 pips trading stop. Uh, for Euro GBP, I move also my trading stop to 180 pips. And the CAD CHF, it now breaks the support, so I'll move my trading stop to 80 pips. So let's see what's gonna happen on this trade. Uh, CAD CHF 105 pips, floating trades. Euro GBP with 200 pips. GBP USD hit trailing stop with 360 pips. We'll update you guys as soon as there is a changes on my trade. Thank you guys and keep safe everyone.